A hard time is coming, but I'm not going anywhere. I will never leave you alone. He who called me is faithful and just to accomplish that which he called me for. To finish his work. Nelson Mandela was in prison for the political freedom. If it is for spiritual freedom of yours, for your spiritual deliverance, I'm ready to suffer shame. My body, I gave my body to Jesus Christ. The life I live is no longer I who liveth, but Christ who live in the inside. With all these battles, I could say, let me go back to my country. Let me go to another country. But I'm saying, I'm not going anywhere. For your sake, if I die, I die. I will never leave you alone. Behind all this, you can sense envy. Strong, there is this anger. It doesn't matter. God will fight our battles. We are not going back, we are moving forward.